Hello, my name is Nicola Cooper. I'm a senior clinical pharmacist with over 25 years experience. Part of my daily duties include recommending the right product to the right patient. Many of my patients have been diagnosed with diabetes, and some of these patients suffer from severely dry and cracked skin. When recommending a product, I am looking for number 1, the formulation, number 2, the healing abilities, number 3, the rejuvenation, and number 4, the rapid action. I have actually used SkinIntegra, and I've used it on small cuts on my fingers, and I've been really surprised with how well it works. I've also received feedback from patients I've recommended this product to, and they have also been very pleased with the results, expressing that results have been seen in as little as 24 to 48 hours. For all those reasons, I highly recommend that you try SkinIntegra.